pa. So please support Viper Rocker!
Hello everyone, this is Kian from the Reaper Rocker. Welcome to Tales from the Underground. On this episode, mag-feature tayo ng artist at i-feature natin ang grupong Feedback. They are an idol group from Manila, Philippines, and aalamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang grupo at i-feature natin ang kanilang performance. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Tara! Feedback is a 5-member girl group consists of Luna, Haruhi, Suzuran, Meguri, and V, formed in 2023. The band had performed in different cosplay conventions such as Ozinfest, Otaku Expo, and Cosplay Up. With such great talent, the group gathered fan base, and they called their fans as Echoes. The group is currently active and had performed recently in Otaku Expo pre-Tabanata. So nakilala ko ang grupong Feedback this year lang, last February sa Cosplay Up, and I witnessed their performance. At lubos akong humanga sa kanilang performance at nakakatuwa din po mga members ito dahil napaka-super approachable nila at napaka-friendly natin. So, panoorin natin ang kanilang performance na naganap noong last July sa Otaku Expo pre-Tanabata Festival. So, I hope you enjoy this video. And that was Feedback's performance live sa Otaku Expo Pre Tanabata Festival. So, ang masasabi ko sa kanilang performance ay napakagaling nilang gumalaw at kumilos at talagang nasa ritmo ang kanilang mga galaw. And isa sa mga dahilan kaya medyo nahihilig na rin ako sa idol music. It's like they're one of the initiators kaya ako napasok sa mundo na to. Knowing the fact na ang channel ko ay naglalaman ng mga metal at rock artists, so it's actually new to me na napasok ko rin tong ganitong tugtugan. I'm actually enjoying it. Isa sa mga na-observe ko dito sa ganitong culture ay yung mga wowotangi at saka yung chant, wotangi chant, ang galing-galing lang. And it's like their adoration sa kanilang artist at I'm amazed. So, going back sa kanilang performance, ayun, masasabi ko, napaka-creative at napaka-energetic nilang gumalaw sa stage. Kaya talagang lubos ang paghanga ko sa grupo na to. And I hope na sana pagpatuloy nila yung kanilang ginagawa at pagpatuloy nyo lang yung good vibes nyo sa pag-deliver ng magandang musika. And I hope na sana makagawa rin kayo ng mga original yung kanta at makapag-perform din kayo. So looking forward on your next performance.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections what's your thoughts on Feedback's performance. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode ng Tales from the Underground. This is Kian, signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!